What's your take on using modernist techniques, especially in a cuisine like Indian food? Because when I go to India, my aunties literally like I have to spend time in the kitchen with them to learn.
Yeah.
There are no recipes. There is nothing written down.
hmm
And so I guess how do you marry the two of those or kind of think about that?
The way I try to define every dish and tell my team is that there should be some sense of nostalgia on the plate. If you close your eyes, you can taste that Indian recipe or technique. And then after that, we try to make it interesting and bring on that New York flair of either utilizing something locally produce wise or then using a technique that might not be quote unquote Indian. When I was in Japan, I used to see a lot of Japanese chefs using these semolina puffs that are actually native to India. They're called pani-puri, very famous street food. And so we went to a few restaurants and these guys were putting like uni custard in it and topping with caviar and whatnot. I'm saying this is an Indian chill. I'm going crazy seeing it. So when I came back, we ended up making a dish with raw tuna, sprinkling some chopped onions, tomato, cilantro, a little Himalayan like pink salt to it, and topped with caviar. And then we pour like our traditional jaljeera, cilantro, mint-based drink, and you eat it in one bite. Can't take that dish off the menu. There'd be riots. I always tell my team, I want them to leave and say that I can't really get that dish anywhere else.